What is an up-and-coming location people could consider?
There are so many locations. I just honestly think you'd have to go for the place that you fall in love with. Having said that, we are getting a lot of requests for inland Malaga, also Costa Blanca. I mean, that's always been a popular spot. A lot of people are also asking for the areas inland Almeria. So that's something that I think is worth exploring. It's really good value.
What's the biggest mistake house hunters could make?
I think the biggest mistake a lot of our house hunters make is thinking that they will be able to find somewhere that is 100% perfect. And I think even if you've got millions, there'll always be some sort of compromise. The beauty of it is when you find the place that works for you, you don't mind making those compromises. They feel like small compromises because everything else is so fantastic.
What's your top tip for first-time overseas buyers?
My top tip would be to get professional help for the legal and financial side of things. It's easy to think that you can do it all on your own, and your agent will help you a lot. But for peace of mind, I think independent legal advice is money well spent.
What's the most unexpected thing you have seen whilst giving a house tour?
I think one of the most unexpected things that I've seen whilst doing a house tour was opening a cupboard and finding a whole entire bedroom and bathroom behind there that I didn't know was there.
What 3 words would you use to describe a place in the sun?
I think the 3 words that best describe a place in the sun would be dreams come true.
If you were a biscuit, what would you be?
If I were a biscuit, I would be one of those big, huge, squidgy in the middle vegan cookies that I love from my favourite local bakery in Estepona.
If a place in the sun did a celebrity special, who would you like to help find a home?
I think if there were one person, a celebrity, that I'd love to help find a holiday home, it would be George Michael. And I know that sadly will never happen, but he's half Greek Cypriot, same as me. So I'd love to take him to Cyprus and find him his perfect place.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
If I could have any superpower, I would probably like to be able to travel through time.
What's one item you always take when you travel?
The one item I always have with me when I'm travelling is my little suitcase, which I won on Richard Osman's House of Games. And when I'm going through the airport, the suitcase gets recognised more than me.
If a place in the sun had a theme song, what would it be?
If a place in the sun had a theme song, it would definitely be A Place in the Sun by Stevie Wonder. There's a place in the sun where there's hope for everyone, where my poor broken heart's gotta run. There you go.